In this tutorial, we will explain how to use alerts in the Auto Trendline and Breakout Alert indicator. This indicator is designed to reclassify trend lines with each reaction of the price chart. These lines are classified into 6 levels, and these levels are distinguished by different colors. Thus, any touching or crossing of the price chart can make a difference. Note that unlike alerts, breakout labels are not trading signals. Breakout labels show the latest breakout for each level based on the lines that appear on the chart, so they may repaint or have delay. But alerts work differently. Alerts are triggered when one of the trend lines is broken and then the next candle is opened and has any delay. There are 3 steps to setting up an alert. 1. Add the indicator to the chart and initialize it. 2. Select the alert conditions as you wish. 3. Create an alert. Step 1. Add the indicator to the chart and initialize it. Click the Indicators menu and enter one of the following titles in the search box. If you don't have permission, you will receive an error. Don't worry, leave a message for the following account on the TradingView and get free access for 1 week. After adding the indicator to the chart, set it as you wish. Note that by creating an alert, an instance of the indicator, with all your settings, will be activated on the site's server and alerts will be triggered by it. After that, changing the indicator settings on the chart will no longer affect the alert. Open the Settings window. Set the scale according to the chart. If you are using a linear chart, select the linear option, or if you are using a logarithmic chart, select the log option. Maximum operational range length specifies the number of candles processed by the indicator. By default, the last 1000 bars. Set it as you wish. The filter removes diverging or out-of-range lines and reduces the clutter of the chart. Set it as you wish. Step 2. Select the alert conditions as you wish. You can now filter breakout alerts based on certain conditions. Alert Condition 1. Trendline Levels. In this section you can determine which of the trendline levels after the breakout triggers the alert. Alert Condition 2. Cross Type. In this section, you can limit the alerts according to the cross type. You can set it to crossover, crossunder, or both. Alert Condition 3. Volume Status. In this section, you can limit the alerts based on the trading volume. The default settings are such that in the event of a fake breakout, no alarm will be triggered. Step 3. Create an alert. Open the Alert menu, then click the Create Alert button. In the Conditions section, select the name of the indicator. Make the rest of the settings as you wish. Finally, click on the Create button. It's finished. An instance of the indicator, with your desired settings, is activated on the site server. After a few moments, Your alert will be added to the Alerts menu. Enjoy!